Hi, it's Emily. If you're new here, welcome to my channel. So today's video is going to be a get ready with me on Sunday morning, my Sunday morning routine. So we are gonna go ahead and get into this video because I'm running late for church. Okay, so after I fix my hair on Sunday morning, I will fix breakfast. So I got the oven turned on and I am either gonna do cinnamon rolls or muffins on Sunday morning, those like dollar packs of muffins that you just add water, because both of those are really easy. So today I'm gonna do cinnamon rolls because I don't have any muffins because I really wanted to eat the muffins one day this week. Okay, so you guys want to hear a funny story? So I'm going to tell you about this box up here because I know you guys are going to ask. So one day this week, I don't remember what day it was, I was here with the girls and Evan was at work. And somebody knocks at the door. So I go to the door and I look out the peephole and there's a man standing there, like an older man, and he's holding this case of beer, and I didn't know the box was open. And I was like, why is a guy knocking on my door holding a case of beer? Obviously I'm not gonna answer because I was by myself with the girls. I call Evan on the phone and I'm like, there's this man standing at the door with a thing of beer. And he's like, obviously this guy has the wrong condo. He probably is at the wrong place. So I didn't answer the door. And then later on, I get another knock at the door, and it's two ladies. So I open the door, and I'm like, yes. And she's like, I was gonna throw your box away, but then I noticed there was coffee mugs in it, so I didn't want to throw it away. Did you mean to put this outside? And so I looked down in the box, and this box is full of coffee mugs. So apparently, we know the guy that owns, well, I don't know, I've never met him, Evan has met him, but we know the guy that owns this condo, and he's the one that we're renting it from. And apparently he had come by to drop off this box that was full of coffee mugs. I guess that belonged here. And I didn't know that was him. So that's why we have a random box of beer, and it's full of coffee mugs in our condo. So while I'm waiting on the cinnamon rolls, I'm gonna go ahead and lay out the girls their outfits. So here's their outfits. You all seen these in my Target run the other day. I got their dresses and their shoes. I gotta grab their tights I bought at Walmart yesterday because I literally could not find tights anywhere else here. It's hard to find tights in Florida, apparently. Got their tights. I'm gonna get my diaper bag ready. Okay. Let's see, I've got diapers in there. Oops. Look who woke up. Look, say hi. Good morning. Usually on Sundays, I let my girls sleep in till the last minute as possible because they need their sleep before Sunday school. And she was in there whining. Okay, so the girls have their little backpack purses. So this is Everly's and this is Rosie's, and I just went and grabbed some toys, and I'm gonna put those in their little backpacks so they can have toys to play with. And yes, I'm eating cinnamon rolls. I was gonna eat oatmeal this morning because I have been eating healthier since that last video, but I've noticed, like, when I eat oatmeal on Sunday mornings that, like, I hardly make it to church, and I'm starving. This is what Rosie's doing while I'm getting ready. Okay, so I'm gonna show you what I'm wearing. I'm wearing this dress from Dainty Jewell. No. And it's so flowy. And I'm wearing my white boots with this. I just love this dress. It is so cute. So I am going to link this down below so you can find it. And now I need to get Rosie dressed, wake Everly up, get her dressed, and I've got like 20 minutes before we have to leave. Wake up. Wake up. Evie, come on, wake up. Hey, wake up. It's time to go to church. Wake up. Come on. picture, and Rosie is done with it. She says, I'm done.
My head and
Put Bobo on your head.
yes, and I can take a picture on my bubble and
Okay.
it does.
Okay, we are in the car and we are headed to church, so we're done. And actually, we just put in the GPS and we're gonna be on time to church. So I'm excited that we got ready and we made it on time. So if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, leave me a comment down below and tell me your tips for your Sunday morning routine with kids and what helps you get out the door faster. I hope you have a wonderful day. Bye.